Hey guys, so today I'll show you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So when you keep a side in front of you, these are the basic notations. R, R prime, F, F prime, L, L prime, B, B prime, U, U prime, and we have D and D prime. So I hope you guys got that. Now let's scramble this. So let's start off here. We have a piece white, red, and green. So for reference, you can use a 3x3 as well to keep track. So we have this corner. Now we have to do this, which is here. So then we have to do white, orange, and blue. And then finally you have white, orange, and green. Now let's start the last layer. So as you see, we have two corner pieces that are properly in their position, but these two pieces need to be swapped. So to do that, use the following algorithm. R prime, F, R prime, B2, R, F prime, R prime, B2, and R2. So as you see now, all the pieces are in their correct position, but they need to be twisted, these two. So we just do this, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime. Then we bring this piece over here, like this, and then we do the same algorithm. U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime. And as you can see, we have solved the Rubik's Cube.